Today I am discussing about Air Butler. As you can see in this video, Air Butler is your smart butler that makes sure the air condition at home has reached its optimal state in the most efficient way. As you can see in this video, Step 1, collection of sensors. To build our home Air Butler, we first need to consider the range of information we would like him to take into consideration when making decisions to take care of our home. Then we base our use of sensors and the range of information as you can see in this video. Air quality sensor captures the concentration of hazardous gases at home. I used PIR motion sensor because I would like my air butler to inform about whether there is someone in each room in my room, and in my view rooms with people actually in them should polarized and prioritized. So I would like my air butler to consider that and provide me with that information. You can add extra factors into consideration. There are a lot of different sensors available on markets. Possible ones. Step 2, choosing a microcontroller. For Air Butler to be your butler, it needs to be able to read data from the sensors, process data, information, present data and present that information into a web app, and receive instructions. We need to choose and platform to work with so that their Air Butler can communicate through Wi-Fi. Step 3, connecting sensors with microcontroller. I used 1 to 3D circuit to design sensor shield to install onto the Arduino Uno. To use the 3 government sensor, I designed a shield with 3 headers for my 3 sensor connectors. And to connect, another problem was there was only one kind of groove connector and part of 1 to 3D circuits, and it was too small for the original groove connector part, and made the holes bigger and adjusted the size of the pads to ensure safe connections. And now with the help of this, all components in the panel that pops up, type in groove connector, click in different options and read the description in the new pages about the components. Check here for the component. You can also design your own parts and let other parts and people use them. 1 to 3D circuits. I made the PCB board then with the PCB maker machine in the Interactive Media Arts Lab in New York. After having my PCB board ready, I soldered the groove connector headers and Arduino headers onto the board. If you made a mistake in designing the PCB board, there is always way to fix it. To change a connection with the printed board, you can also use the system and we will set it plug and it to assign the headers for them. Step 4, getting started with Arduino.